In this video, we are going to learn how to remove a background in Affinity Photo for free. First, click the Place tool icon and choose the image file you want to work with. Then, click anywhere on the canvas to place the image. You may want to resize the image and position it exactly at the center if needed. Next, switch to the pixel persona. If you are subscribed to the paid Canva plan, you can use a quick background removal tool. To access it, go to Customize Tools, open the Toolbar tab, search for the Remove Background tool, and drag it to the toolbar. When you select the image and click the Remove Background icon, the process is done automatically using Canva AI. However, this option is not available for the free Canva subscription. But don't worry, you can still use the powerful features of Affinity for free to remove backgrounds. To do this, right-click on this icon and select the Object Selection tool. If you have just installed Affinity on your computer, you will need to install the Segmentation mode. In the dialog box, open Settings and switch Segmentation on to install it. Once the installation is finished, right-click the icon again, select the Object Selection tool, and wait for the process to complete. Then select the object and click Refine in the toolbar. If you need to refine details such as the edges, increase the smooth value slightly and set the output to mask for non-destructive editing. Use the square bracket keys on your keyboard to decrease or increase the brush size. Then refine areas like hairy wings or hair edges. After that, check the Color Decontamination option. If needed, select New Decontaminated Layer with Mask as the output, then click Apply. Finally, to export your image as a PNG file with a transparent background, click Export, choose PNG as the file type, and adjust the image size if necessary. Make sure PNG is selected to preserve transparency. Then click Export, give the file a name, and click Save. Your image is now ready. That's all for this tutorial. If you want more Affinity tutorials, hit the subscribe button. Support this channel by clicking the like button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.